Make a great choice today with the 2021 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, running boards, traction control system, fog lights, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, steering wheel audio controls, dual power seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.